Hey friends, it's time for math time. But before we get started with our math, we're going to do a counting warm-up exercise. So we're going to clap and count to the number 9. When we hear 9, we're going to stop clapping. Every time you clap, make sure you say a number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, you did it. Did you stop? All right, now we're going to stomp. So stand up and stomp along with me until we get to the number 9. You ready? Every time you stomp, you're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to stomp 10 times. All right, join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, you guys did it. That was an awesome job. Let's get into the rest of our lesson. Alrighty, friends, here we go. Say, I can arrange and count 8 objects. Let's do another little exercise. We're going to practice counting to 8. So for the bottom blue colors, we're going to shout the numbers. And then when we get to the top green, we're going to whisper the numbers. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do we have in this tower? 8. Now let's shout for the top numbers and whisper for the bottom numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was awesome. Do we still have 8? All right, now let's find the number 8 to match the total amount of cubes we have in our tower. 1, 2, 3, and when you see the number 8, I want you to yell stop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop! Awesome job. We counted the cubes and found that we have 8 cubes in this tower. And then we found the number 8 to show us how many are in the tower. All right, so friends, there is a friend of mine named Maria and her neighbors, they wanted to plant some flowers. And so they have a community garden that they want to put some seeds in. Maria has 5 seeds and she puts them in the garden. Help me count the seeds as we line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many seeds do we have so far? That's right, 5. Now, Maria's 3 neighbors each bring a seed to the garden. So let's count them as they each put a seed down. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 seeds on the bottom, 5 seeds on the top. Let's count and see how many seeds we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's line all the seeds up. Oops, sorry guys. Now, Marie, I'm sorry, we're going to line them up, but I apologize. We're going to find the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the number 8. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look and find a way for us to put all the seeds in the garden. So, Marie and her neighbors, oops, it's going backwards. Now, Marie and her neighbors have different ideas about how they want the seeds to be planted. Maria wants all 5 of her seeds to be in a straight line, just like this, with the neighbor seeds in the bottom, just like this. But Miss Anand likes to have 2 rows, but she wants the rows to have the same number. So Miss Anand wants the rows to look like this. Let's see if we still have 8. She wants 1, 2, 3, 4 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. Let's see how many seeds we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we still have 8? That's correct. We still have 8. Now, the neighbor Sammy, he thinks the seed should be in one straight line, just like this. And so there's still room for the kids to play. Now, let's count the seeds and see if we still have 8 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many seeds are there? That's right, there are 8 seeds. Now, say I can arrange and count out 8 objects, and that's what we're doing. The first arrangement was with 5 on top, 3 on the bottom. The next arrangement was with 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. And this last arrangement that we saw is one straight line. Arranging something just means you put it in a specific order. Now there's one more neighbor, and then he has an idea, and that's Mr. Kwan. He thinks the seeds should be in a circle so he can sit and read in the middle of the garden. He wants the seeds to look like this. Let's count and see if we still have 8 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many seeds are there? That's right. We still have 8 seeds. So it doesn't matter if we put them with 2 rows, 5 on top, 3 on the bottom, with 2 rows, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, or if we put the seeds in one straight line, or if we put the seeds in a circle. We still have 8 seeds. Now, friends, at home, you could create your own seeds. You could just get a piece of paper and some glue, and then you could get another colored piece of paper and make small little seeds and put them in a row. Which one is your favorite arrangement? Is it the 5 on top, 3 on the bottom, 4 on top, 4 on the bottom, the circle, or one straight line? Why don't you put your seeds, your pretend seeds, in the arrangement that you like the best? Say, I can count and arrange up to 8 objects. This was fun doing this activity with you, friends. I hope you had fun. Happy learning.